Welcome back. Oh yeah, I'm finally getting better at this tutoring thing. So right now, I'm gonna show you the cosine and rule part. We've done the distant rule part. You know the drill. If you didn't say it, or not, I mean, if you wanna say it, go to the previous tutorial. Okay, please. Okay, now let's do this. All right. We just subbing in the values right now, and we're using a cosine rule. I'm looking for my marker. By the way, we subbing in for K. I'm not gonna write KL squared again. Nah, I don't have that time. For those of you who can see, where do I get one? I said that radian is equals to 1. K, the distance to K and O, it's 1 because the radian is 1. L to O, it's 1 because the radian is 1. And the radian is in orange. I think that's orange. Who knows? Nah, I don't know. I'm colorblind. Whatever. This color, by the way, I don't know which. Yeah, that color. I know I'm using black, that's for sure. And then, of course, still ready. One, dum 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 dum, cos. Yep, cos this one. Yeah, it's those angles. Remember, it's A and B. Because I don't want to name them beta, blah blah blah. But in the future, we'll be naming them beta. And then, let's just say 1 plus 1, because 1 squared to 1 to the power of 2 is equals to 1. So let's just skip to the base. Let's just skip those basics. 1 and minus 1. Wow, I think this tutorial will be so short. Thank you. This tutorial will be so short. This will be the shortest. Okay, let me just make it the shortest tutorial, because me talking will just make it back to the longest tutorial. Why did I just roll 2 and 2? Yeah, just because I was talking. But I think these people should hire a trainer and whatever. I think they do. Nah, they don't. They don't. Because if they do, well, they're doing a pretty bad job. I think all of us can agree with that. In the next tutorial, we'll be using the distance formula with this cosine formula. This one is short. This is the answer of K using a cosine formula. Guys, bye. Yeah, bye. And I know we're still talking, but let's just use this. You can talk about everything. I'm kidding. Bye.